Dr. John, Program and Development Group, Research Team.
Melissa Francis, Programming and Development Group, Data Collection and
Okay, guys, what was the most challenging and what was the easiest part of this whole project for you guys, in your individual opinions?
I think one of the most challenging is to learning and programming. I think I'm not strong in programming. I really wanted to learn, being part of that group, I really wanted to learn more programming, coding and everything. I think that was one of the challenging parts for me in terms of getting the hang of it. And to further improve myself. I think the easiest part for me as well is more or less doing PowerPoint. PowerPoint is easy for me. It's 1, 2, 3, and I think it helps bring closer to the program and even add some quality in terms of what we're presenting. Adam and the others on Monday and Andrew did the hard work in terms of doing the research, doing the application and everything, developing it. But I think our role as well as research as the research team also and doing the PowerPoint, we're going to bring finesse to it as well. We want to ensure that we have all the information that we need to make our presentation, make it something very professional, something that will be very informative. And I think working with the other members of this class also helped me learn a lot more in the different areas.
Okay, Alyssa, same question. What was the easiest? What was the most challenging part of working? What part did you actually do in the project?
Well, I did research, and the most challenging part I found was to find the programs, because as Hector said, I'm not really strong in programming, and to find the correct programs to let it work, because I remember the first time when I was asked by Awesome to find a program to go with Facebook. I did find a program, but it worked halfway, and then we had to go back and did more research. And the most easiest part is just, as Hector said, doing the PowerPoint, we consult each other on a daily basis to see where we are heading in terms of research and creating Gantt charts and etc.
All right, what about you guys meeting up and communication? How did that work out in this group particularly? Was it smooth? Was it a little struggle? Did you guys have a particular way you communicated, like video conferencing, cell phones? Each group have different experiences with that. How did that work out?
I think it was not really challenging, because I think we made an effort to be there, to meet every Saturday.
Okay.
And I think we had members showing up there. Some persons who couldn't show up because of different reasons, and you understand that in a group. Yeah. But we all pull our weight, and I think it was commendable on everybody's part to participate in such an activity and whatnot. So it was
Okay. Last question. If you could change anything about the project or the group and how you guys function, what would it be?
I think
I wouldn't change a thing, because I can speak, because 100% I would give Atom 100%. From he was called out to be the group member, he really took the lead in getting things done, and to me, I wouldn't change a thing.
Okay.
It also shows the importance of project management, and I'm doing it right now. So, and you're learning the different obstacles that you'll meet in the way. And in terms of being a project manager, team leader, you have the different challenges that you'll meet. And I think Thomas handled it as our project manager. I wouldn't change a thing, because you learn from these experiences. Because we had the first I ended up working with, and in project management, this is a failed project. And then we had an alternative plan that we used the U-Drink, and to advance ourselves in terms of what we're doing and the project that we had to provide for that particular senior seminar. But what you learn from this experience as well, it's nothing compared to what I've learned, the different challenges, because it's it's capstone, you put everything together. So it was a wonderful experience. I don't change anything.
Okay. Thank you very much for your time. Let me go see your next group member. Hello, sir. State your name and your role in the project.
Wonder Braham, programmer.
Okay. All right. What do you find is the easiest, and what do you find is the most complicated part of this project that you yourself worked on?
Easiest part?
Yeah.
None.
None. All of it was complicated for you.
All of it was difficult. The hardest part was actually getting the code.
Getting the code?
Yeah.
Okay.
That was the hardest part.
How did you get the codes and all?
It was done mainly by Adam. We went to various sources by developer sites online. We went to textbooks, speaking with the author of the textbooks because the code was upgraded and so on. So we had to go to many different sources.
Okay. If you could change anything about this project or how your group functioned, what would it be?
The time, the time is certainly that.
Okay.
Class, we always just sit down in a day of class, not enough. So, better time.
Okay. All right. So thank you for your time. All right. Hold on. Let me go to the well-known legend known as Adam Vega. Okay, Adam.
What's up, man?
What's your role in general as a project manager?
Well, my role in general of this project was basically getting all the programs together, getting everybody to do what they have to do. It was kind of troubling at first because we didn't know the Java programming language, and through trials and tribulations, through a wonderful research team, we actually we got some documentation together, and we pulled through, we learned the language, and now we have a working program.
Yeah.
Something that we couldn't do a month ago, and I think it's pretty innovative. It's a really big thing, for a lot of people in this room.
I want to take a seat for a minute, please.
And we're gonna have to redo that.
All right. No problem.